I ain't even gonna lie, PlayStation 5 on iPad is crazy. Ooh, you don't want the smoke, my boy.
Like we always do with this time.
So between work, family, and other important things, I really don't have time to play my PlayStation. But when I do, someone's always using the TV. So I came across this life hack, dad hack. That's what we're gonna call it, a dad hack. That's a complete life changer. Let's get into it. First things first, you're gonna turn on your PlayStation. No, before you do anything actually, you're gonna need a PlayStation, duh, and an iPad or one of the Android tablets, because the app we're gonna use is on Apple Play or the Google Store. All right, so let's turn the PlayStation on. We are in. Let's go to settings. There's gonna be two settings we're gonna wanna change. The first one here, we're gonna go to systems, and we're gonna go down to where it says remote play. No, we're gonna go to power saving first. We're gonna go to power saving, and then we're gonna click on features available in rest mode. Once you click that, you wanna click stay connected to the internet. So while your PS5 is in rest mode, it's gonna stay online. This is gonna help you guys so that you can connect to the PlayStation if you leave your house. So we'll get more into that later. But you want to click this on mine is already on, but it's off, or you can just click it back on. Then you're gonna go on the iPad, you're gonna look for the app that says remote play. You can just type it just like that, remote play, it should come up. And you're gonna go to PS remote play, that's the one. Click it, download it. Once it's downloaded, let's jump back up into the PlayStation. You're gonna go to remote play, you're still in the system setting. You're gonna go to remote play, and then go to where it says enable remote play. Boom, what you wanna do is click it, activate it. Now you can exit. Second, what you're gonna wanna do is go down and click where it says pair device. Pair device is gonna give you a code. Now this code is gonna be different for everyone. Now we jump back into the iPad, guys. And then now you see, I'm on the iPad screen now. It's gonna say sign into PSN. One second. Once you're signed in, you're gonna fall in right into this screen. You get the code, you verify your account, blah, blah, blah. Then it's gonna ask you the data, give it confirm and continue. It's gonna say using your controller to pair and hold. Now, guys, I have an old PS4 controller. I am on the PS5, but I have an old PS4 controller that I'm gonna use. It's gonna ask you to connect to your local network. You're gonna allow this. Then you're gonna get to this screen. Which do you want to connect to, PS5 or PS4? You're doing a PS5, I'm doing a PS5, or if you have a 4, then it's gonna tell you to go through the steps that I just did to use remote play, enable it on your PS5, la la la, we did that already. Then it's gonna search for connections, then it's gonna look for the PS5, now it says pairing to your PS5. Checking the network. So now, boom, I'm connecting using remote play. Quick tip, if you don't know how to pair a remote to your iPad, you simply hold the home button and the power button right here, and your remote should blink like that. Now you can see on the screen, it came up, DualShock wireless controller. Just connect it. Boom, it's connected. When you got that color, you're connected. Now let's jump back into the PlayStation. Connect again. Every time you log out, it's gonna log you out from the PlayStation. Boom, we're back in. So it should be working now. There you go. And as you can see, guys, this is straight from the iPad with the PS4. Let's run, which one should we run? Where's my Need for Speed? Okay, let's just run Need for Speed, a quick game. But this is running on iPad, guys. This is literally running on iPad. Hold that, Spider-Man. Let's show the people right here. Now, why is this a dad hack? Do you know you can take this to the bathroom with you and spend, you know, the bathroom is sacred time for us. The bathroom is sacred time for us. So the fact that I can take my PlayStation to the bathroom, game changer, complete game changer. Now, from here on out, you can turn the TV off. You can turn the TV off, go anywhere around the house, Again, I'm watching the TV, but it's on the iPad. Everything I'm doing is on the iPad connected with this. I'm watching the TV right now though, but graphics look good. Okay, I don't really drive like that. That's just for Tell me that isn't fire, guys. Here's one thing about the remote play, that one setting we went into in the beginning to access the network while your PlayStation is in rest mode. Quick reminder, guys, the PlayStation has to be in rest mode to use this outside. Now, being that it's in rest mode, still connected to network, you can take the iPad outside and you can connect to your home PlayStation. Here's the catcher though. To be able to do that, you're gonna have to connect to a Wi-Fi network. It can't be one of the iPads that have cellular network. It has to be Wi-Fi. Where would this be helpful? Where would I use this? Well, let's say we go to grandma's house. Grandma ain't got no PlayStation 5. So I'm just gonna take my iPad and connect over there and play while the kids play or take over their TV, or while they're cooking, or my father-in-law's watching his movies. I could just be playing on my PlayStation. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Cool little dad hack I found. Wanted to share it with you guys, and catch you in the next one. Peace.